sells!
$1,500, $2,000 sold. $1 million once. $14,000 it is. $1 million twice. $44,500. Gone. 47 and a half. Fair warning, it is selling at $1 million. Sold. $1 million.
This is Francis Lombardi. I'm the department head here at the James Julia Auction Company for Fine Firearms. And today I'd like to talk to you about our upcoming auction March 14th, 15th, and in particular lot number 2413, an Evo Fabbri Majestic over-under forest game gun. What's interesting about this gun, and rarely seen and termed a forest gun in the European market, is its rare 25-inch barrel configuration. This is considered, the Fabbri's, one of the quintessential, if not the quintessential, Italian modern over-under shotgun. And this particular one, fitted with a 25-inch barrels, is very well balanced and the quickest pointing gun we've handled in a long time. The beautiful, beautiful deep relief Baroque engraving by Tomasoni is perfectly executed with great detail, and the vignettes of the winged angels on the bottom all give great character to this gun. Single trigger gun over a checkered wood butt plate. When you shoulder this gun, you can see yourself on target in the quail fields or in the upland grouse fields. It's a beautiful gun, and one that shouldn't be missed with its rare 25-inch barrels. One could always have another set of longer barrels made up for the ultimate combination. But an virtually unfired, unused, as-new gun at a fraction of its original price, this is surely a gun not to be missed.